Friends, we will see now the expansion of the type x plus y whole to the power n plus minus x minus y whole to the power n. Before starting, I request all of you, please watch the complete video. At the end, you will find its application example. If you are new here, please subscribe the channel and you will find the latest updates immediately. Friends, x plus y whole to the power n can be written now in this form: nc0 x to the power n minus 0 into y to the power 0 plus nc1 x to the power n minus 1 into y to the power 1 plus nc2 x to the power n minus 2 into y to the power 2. In this way, the last term is ncn x to the power 0 into y to the power n. Okay, now so friends, x plus y whole to the power n is nc0 x to the power n plus nc1 x to the power n minus 1 into y plus nc2 x to the power n minus 2 y square plus so on plus ncn into y to the power n. In this way, x minus y whole to the power n can be written nc0 x to the power n minus nc1 x to the power n minus 1 into y plus nc2 x to the power n minus 2 y square minus so on. The last term is minus 1 to the power n into ncn y to the power n. Mark it 1 and second one is 2. Okay. Now adding 1 and 2. So add 1 and 2, we get x plus y whole to the power n plus x minus y whole to the power n. Watch carefully, x minus y whole to the power n contains the terms in plus minus in this way. That means in alternative signs. So friends, the positive and negative terms will be cancelled because the terms are actually same. In first one is in positive and second one is in negative sign. nc1 x to the power n minus 1 into y is cancelled by minus nc1 x to the power n minus 1 y. So there will be some double terms, so we can write twice of nc0 x to the power n plus nc2 x to the power n minus 2 y to the power 2 plus nc4 x to the power n minus 4 into y to the power 4 and so on. Okay, and if you subtract 2 from 1, we shall get now x plus y whole to the power n minus x minus y whole to the power n is equal to, now these same signs will be cancelled because since you are subtracting the second expression from this first expression, so nc0 x to the power n will be cancelled from this one and nc2 x to the power n minus 2 into y square will be cancelled. So only the positive negative terms will be now doubled. So twice of nc1 x to the power n minus 1 y plus nc3 x to the power n minus 3 into y to the power 3 plus nc5 x to the power n minus 5 into y to the power 5 and so on. So we got two expansions. Actually we wanted this x plus y whole to the power n plus x minus y whole to the power n. Another one is x plus y whole to the power n minus x minus y whole to the power n. Respectively, we got these two expansions. Now we shall watch the applications of these expansions. One interesting question. So that 101 whole to the power 50 is greater than 100 to the power 50 plus 99 to the power 50. First of all, we consider let x is equal to 101 to the power 50 and y as 100 to the power 50 plus 99 to the power 50. Okay, now we find x minus y. Okay, x minus y is equal to 101 whole to the power 50 minus y, that is minus 100 to the power 50 minus 99 to the power 50. I write this one first. 99 to the power 50 minus 100 to the power 50. Okay, so friends, Watch carefully. 101 can be written 100 plus 1 whole to the power 50. Okay. Minus 99 can be written 100 minus 1 whole to the power 50 minus 100 to the power 50 as usual. Now this part, the first part, first two terms, 100 plus 1 whole to the power 50 minus 100 minus 1 whole to the power 50. This is of the pattern x plus y whole to the power n minus x minus y whole to the power n, like this term, like this pattern. So it is actually expanded earlier. X plus y whole to the power n minus x minus y whole to the power n is twice of nc 1x to the power n minus 1 into y plus nc 3x to the power n minus 3 into y to the power 3 plus so on. Okay. So friends, we now apply this expansion. So from this one we can write now twice of 50c1 100 to the power 50 minus 1, that is 49, into 1 to the power 1. 1 to the power 1 is 1. Next 50c3 100 to the power 50 minus 3, that is 47, into 1 to the power 3. Again 50c5 100 to the power 50 minus 5, that is 45, into 1 to the power 5, and so on. It is continued, and this term is 100 to the power 50 as usual written. Okay. Now one thing is important. Actually we shall multiply the total expansion by 2. Okay. Now tell me, what is 50c1? What is 50c1? You know, 50c1 is equal to 50. NC1 is equal to, you know, this rule, NC1 is equal to N. Okay. So 50c1 is 50. Now this term is 50c1 into 100 to the power 49. Okay. And this is multiplied by 2, isn't it? That means 2 into 50c1 is equal to 50 into 100 to the power 49, isn't it? So 2 into 50 means 100 into 100 to the power 49. So actually this is 100 to the power 50, isn't it? This is 100 to the power 50. So we can write 2 into 50c1 100 to the power 49 as 100 to the power 50. Okay, written, plus 2 into 50c3 100 to the power 47. Okay, plus 2 into 50c5 100 to the power 45, and so on. This is continued, and this part is as usual minus 100 to the power 50. Okay. Now we can cancel 100 to the power 50 and minus 100 to the power 50. These two are cancelled. So remaining part is 2 into 50c3 100 to the power 47 plus 2 into 50c5 100 to the power 45, and so on. Okay. So friends, watch carefully. 2 is a positive number, 50c3 is a positive number, 100 to the power 47 is a positive number. This is positive, this term is positive, the other terms which are coming also positive, and they are in addition form. So ultimately the total expansion will give you a positive quantity, isn't it? This is a positive quantity. That means if this expansion gives you a positive quantity and its source is x minus y, isn't it? It comes from x minus y actually. That is, x minus y is a positive quantity. X minus y is a positive quantity. That means x minus y is greater than 0. If x minus y is greater than 0, then can you write x is greater than y? X is greater than y. Now tell me, what is x? What was x? You consider this x as 101 to the power 50, isn't it? So we replace this x by 101 whole to the power 50. Okay, greater than y. What is y? Y is written as 100 to the power 50 plus 99 to the power 50. So write it here, 100 to the power 50 plus 99 to the power 50. So friends, actually it was our proof. 101 to the power 50 is greater than 100 to the power 50 plus 99 to the power 50. So this is our proof, and finally we got this one. 101 to the power 50 is greater than 100 to the power 50 plus 99 to the power 50. This is actually the application of the expansion of the type x plus y whole to the power n plus minus x minus y whole to the power n. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you again.